Do you know how simple it is to make an emotional trap type beat? Actually, it's so simple than you think. So today I'm going to take you through the entire process of building guitar, melodic, emotional trap type beats. So I'm going to give you all the tricks that you're supposed to know. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into it. And remember to subscribe to this channel for you to get notified whenever I upload a new thing. So that is the only support that I'm requesting from you. First things first, let's listen to what I have. So first things first, I am loaded my expand. So I started with something like this. Yeah, actually this one I wanted an emotional type beat, so I thought of just bringing in that given test as early as possible without wasting any much time. And then I added the chords. Yeah, so simple. Yeah, from there I added a flute because I wanted to intensify that given feeling that I wanted to have from the top. Okay, so this is how I layered out the flute. Yeah, so simple. Then from there I added another instrument from Purity. Yeah, so it was played that simple, and actually it helped me so much in bringing out the feeling that I was having on making this kind of a beat. So my bass line was just actually following the chords. Following this one, it was just an accompaniment. So whenever you build something emotional, just try your level best to have instruments talking to each other. It's like they are just having a conversation for you to bring out that given feeling in a song or in a beat. So this is what I did to achieve that given communication between instruments. Yeah guys, another important thing while building an emotional type beat, make sure you have some kind of vocals inside your beat. Okay, so if you can't sing so well, we have VST plugins that can emulate that kind of voice in a beat. Yeah, I think it's so emotional, so it helped me to bring out that given feeling. Yeah. So I believe this is what exactly you need for you to make an emotional type beat. So make sure the instruments are communicating with each other. Make sure you have vocals singing within your beat, inside your beat, so that you can have that given full feeling. And another things are the things that I'm going to show you, so hang around. So from there, I added something like this. So if they work this kind of lead pedal, if they work together with the vocal, this is how it will sound. So I think at that given point, you already have the feeling for the beat, okay? If you have a flute, then some guitar inside it, then a bass following the guitar. Yeah, I believe that one is perfect. So what you need to add from there is now the kicks, the snares, and the whatevers. So I'm going to show you the best tricks on how to layer out these things for them to accompany the feeling that we already had from this beginning. We don't want to have that given kick pumping in and just like that. It will just spoil the whole thing. So I'm going to show you the best ways to layer things out for them to accompany the feeling that we had from the top, for us to have that given emotional type beat. Okay, so layering, make sure you have your chorus split out on the verses. Okay, so these are the tricks, the first tricks in layering the other instruments for them to accompany the first feeling is just you take your chords and reverse it. Okay, these were my chords. Okay, so take the chords, render them as audio. Yeah, for you to render them as audio, then reverse them, and this is how they sound. So if we play them together with the chords, this is how they sound. Yeah, that's amazing. So we can so that's the first trick that you are supposed to have. Yeah, the second trick in layering the kick now is spacing out the instruments. Okay, let the kick pump in. Okay, give it some time, then pump again. All right, so this simply means that we are trying to give the singer time to speak what they feel, to speak what they have in their hearts. Okay, you don't wanna pump the kick in and out within a short period of time. Give it space. Okay, so this is what I did. Yeah, it's that simple. So the kick has its own space. Okay, the kick has given a singer or a rapper space to bring out what they want to say. Okay, the kick always goes hand in hand with the snare and the clap. Okay, so have this. So from that given point, I believe everything sounds amazing. Now we need to add the accompaniment to those given kick and the snare for things to sound more amazing, for instruments to communicate or to have a conversation between each other. Okay, so bring in the parts, something like this. Yeah, yeah. Bring in the counter snare. Bring in the parts. Okay. Yeah, guys, I think that's very simple and straightforward. In the verse section, what I did is removing some instruments and bringing in a new instrument that wasn't there at the chorus section. Okay, so in the verse section, this is what I did. Yeah, I think everything sounds amazing to that given point. So another important thing that you're supposed to understand about making emotional type beats is that don't just pump in instruments in and out without having an idea on how you want them to sound. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is that make sure each instrument has its own place. Okay, I ensure that the bass is not present in the chorus section so that I can introduce it in the verse section. Yeah, exactly. Ensure that each instrument has its own space within the beat for it to sound amazing. Okay. Another thing, while arranging your beat, make sure you're bringing in new things to spice up what you already had. Okay, like in this section. So from the chorus to the verse. Yeah, such kind of breaks makes everything sound amazing. Okay, make sure each instrument has the reason why it's sounding the way it's sounding. Okay, yeah, and make sure your sound selection is amazing during making this kind of beats. So yeah, thank you so much guys for tuning in. It's your boy Blazer Bright over here. I'll be uploading beats in my beats channel, so you can go straight to YouTube and search Beats by Mr. Fix It. That is my beats channel name, so that you can download and have new beats for your next projects. So thank you so much guys, thank you so much, may God bless you. Let's get in the next project. And kindly, I'm requesting you to subscribe to this given channel for you to get notified whenever I upload a new tutorial. So if you have anything that you would like me to address, you can leave a comment down there so that I can address it next time whenever we meet. Okay, thank you so much. Peace out.